Welcome to the channel. If you're looking to edit your story on Facebook, I've got all of the steps involved, so let's jump in. Alright, so here we are in Facebook on our homepage. We are going to see right at the top, and this will be the same thing on your mobile device if you're using the Facebook mobile app. You're going to click on Create Story over here. Now you can either use a photo story or a text story. Go ahead and select your preference. On the left hand side, you can choose your text style or your font style. I'm going to go with fancy. Here there are some backgrounds that we can choose. So let us go and choose a random background like this. On the main section over here, you can click on the section where it says start typing, and we can say good morning Monday. Okay, you can also tag people in here. So, you know, if you want to tag somebody, you can actually just start typing their name and it'll come up in your suggestions. You can also go to the bottom over here. You can click on emojis. You can add emojis right over here. And then you can click on share to story. Okay, if you are doing photographic story, then it is a little bit different. You'll have quite a few more options. Here you can choose your story privacy, so public, friend, or custom. This will be who will be able to view your story. Once you're done, you're going to go ahead and click on share to story. It'll take a few seconds. It'll pop up now on your homepage. You'll see over here, this is my story. If you click on it, let's just pause it for a second. If you click on it, you'll be able to see the actual story. At the bottom, you'll be able to see how many views there are. And then once you've posted your story, you will not be able to actually edit thereafter, so you can't make changes. So if there is an issue, you'll have to go and click on delete over here. So you'll have to click on delete photo, and then you can delete that story. If you'd like to add to your story, you can actually just click over here. Let's create a photo story. I've got my story in over here. You can also add text. So you can choose the type of text. You can also choose the font. And once you're done, you can go ahead and you can click on share to story. You will see that this is now added to that very first page or that very first story that we added. And again, you cannot edit this story. So you can't edit it after it has been posted. The only way to do this is delete it and then recreate it. And once you've deleted and recreated, then it's kind of like a way of editing any mistakes. I hope this was helpful.